Well, hey there, y'all. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Alright, guys, so we get some sneak peeks at some more spoilers for the Ipsy Ultimate October bag. So if you're excited about this video, y'all go ahead and hit your thumbs up button. Also, hit your subscribe button and make sure your bell's on. That way you're notified and you don't miss out on no spoilers. And before we get started, if you're new here, hi, I'm Mandy. I do a lot of makeup related videos. Now, sometimes I'll go off track and do something else I'm interested in, but I promise not to disappoint you all the time. Now, let's read that first comment from my last video. Showing some BoxyCharm add-ons. Well, thank you so much, Deanna Gullick. I hope I said that right. If I didn't, I do apologize, Deanna. Anyways, Deanna says hi. Well, hi, Deanna. Girl, how you doing? I hope you're doing well. I hope your weekend is going amazing so far, and I really appreciate you having your bell on and coming and watching the video. I love you, girl. And if you yourself would like to get a shout out, be sure to leave a comment under this video. You're going to have 1 out of 2 chances getting it. You could either set your bell and try to be first at it, or you could be one of the comments I pick. You never know, I might pick you. Now stay tuned till the end when I read the comment that I did pick. Alright guys, before we dive into this madness, I'm going to put up a 5-second timer. If you're not subscribed to this channel, go ahead and do so during that time. You're going to see a little red heart. It's going to turn a shade of blue for about a half a second, so don't blink. But it's also going to give you good luck for the rest of 2020. And who don't need that right now? So let's go ahead and do that. Well, welcome to the family, guys. Now let's go ahead and dive into this madness. So first of all, I found this on Reddit. So here's the picture that I found. Some of these items I could blow up. I can see what they are. And some of them I can't, so I might need y'all's help with some of these if you do recognize any of them. So the ones I can see is, first up, Strictly Curls, Mark Anthony hair stuff right there. I don't know exactly what it is. And then we know those 4 eyeshadows right there. We know that's Naked Cosmetics eyeshadows. Now we did see that in the revealed spoiler that we had so far. We also see The Balm. I know it looks like a blush to me because it's like a rosy nude shade. Y'all, this is an update during editing. That is the Will Powder Blushes by The Balm. Now exactly which one I couldn't tell you. We also see the Glow Recipe, the Watermelon Glow Toner. We also see that Huda Beauty, the Emerald Obsessions eyeshadow palette. We also see the Pixie by Petra, that is the Glow Mist. Now, the nail polishes right there, I did manage to find those. Those are by the brand Fluid, I believe. And the black one is called Vamp. I couldn't find the gold one, so I don't know what shade name that is. Now, we also see that red tube right there. So I did find that after editing as well. That is by the brand La Chatelaine Beauty. I believe that's how you say that. Not exactly sure. That is the Cinnamon Orange Hand Cream. And next thing that we see is that it looks like an eyeliner to me. No, it could be a lip liner, but it's like a chocolate brown shade, so I don't know what that is. And then, of course, we see that green serum right there. Now, I believe it's just the bottle that's green. It might be a clear serum in there. I don't know exactly what that is either, guys. And then, as well as that white tube with the blue label right there. Then we also see that blue and white product right there. I don't know what that is. That looks like one of those tooth whitening pens. Remember, that was in BoxyCharm. But again, I can't confirm any of that. So if you do recognize any of these items, let us know what they are down in the comments section. Also, let me know what you think about the items that we can see and can tell what they are. And again, let me remind you of what the Ultimate October bag looks like. And then I'm going to go ahead and throw up the spoilers that we do know of right here. Or the rest of the ones that we know of. And of course, guys, let me know what you think about these items down in the comment section. And of course, as soon as they reveal anything else, I'll keep you guys updated. You know I'm going to keep you in the loop. And as always, Ipsy is linked below if you want to go check him out. Now let's go ahead and read that comment that I picked in my last video. Well, thank you so much. Imperfectly Perfect. I love that name. Anyway, she says, new sub. Great video as always. You do such an awesome job. Stay blessed. Well, thank you so much, love. I really appreciate that. It just warms my heart. And I want to welcome you to the family, honey. Thank you so much for coming and watching the video and subscribing to my channel. I love you. And remember, guys, you got to leave that comment if you want to shout out. And guys, double check. Please make sure you're still subscribed to my channel. You know how YouTube likes to take my subscribers and tell me I ain't got any. Yeah, they do it all the time. But if you would check on that for me. If you're not, why the hell not? I mean, it's 100% free and it's a gift from me to you. And it's rude not to accept gifts, so you got to take it. So go on down there and hit that button. Then I'm going to need y'all to rate the video, but you're only going to have one option. You can only hit the thumbs up button because the thumbs down button quit working a long time ago and YouTube won't fix it. And there's one more tiny thing before you guys head out. Dang YouTube. If you would, make sure your notification bell is set on. That way you don't miss another upload of mine. You'll catch all these spoilers. And guys, I also do a lot of other videos other than these spoilers. So if you ever want to put a face to the voice, go check those out. And that's it. That's all I got for you. And I love y'all so much. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.